There's his car. Justin's car. Camera isn't really showing how much snow is actually falling, but you can see how a little bit how it's hard to see. You can't even see down at the bottom of the street, and normally you can. Past the stop sign. See that stop sign right there? Usually you can see all the way down past the stop sign down to the end of the road. But you can't see anything. And that's just at the, oh, here comes a snowplow. Oh, he's turning on the road up there. But you can barely even see past the end of, past the stop sign there. I don't know if you can see that stop sign. There you go. Jeez. Okay, there's your short video.